Whoa, we're actually here.
This place seems kind of quiet. Yeah, it's usually awfully loud here.
Ugh.
Mumbo, are you alright?
And too late. Witch already took over world.
Oh no, guys, this is really bad.
Looks like they're already here. What are we supposed to do?
Well, hey, Mumbo, do you know where they are?
Giant tower. Must stop them.
Hey guys, do they mean this tower?
Man, how are we supposed to get to the top of that thing?
Guys, we kinda need a key. Guys, could you come over here?
No, how would he ever get in? Hey, guys, there's something weird. Hey, Kasui, can you check in my backpack? Okay. Oh, Banjo? Oh my god, a key? How the heck did that? Whoa, guys, I think my key that I had turned to a key.
Oh, wait, does that mean...
Oh my gosh. All right, here he goes. Oh, it's open.
Alrighty guys, this is the final stretch. Are you ready to do this?
But we forgot to save.
Shut up, Banjo!
Let's go inside. Ah, yes, my magnificent weapon is finally ready. Once we cut on this machine, all the worlds will be controlled by us. Yes, and then we will destroy all of our enemies, and we will be victorious. And I still want to get back in my pool. Well, it's destroyed now, Wily, so you're just gonna have to wait. Okay. Now, as it finishes charging, we will be the rulers of all the video games that were. Yes. And then, no one will be able to stop us. Not even that stupid hedgehog.
Mr. Skunty, there's an intruder in the castle.
What?
Yeah, what do you want me to do?
Well, kill them. What do you think?
Oh, but I'm really scared and I'm not put up for this. I'm only an employee, sir.
Gosh, I'll send one of my robots down there. Now go.
Okay.
It is nearly complete, but we can't have those fools trying to ruin it. Don't worry, I have a plan.
This is awfully strange. Wonder where they are. Maybe they went down that hole. Yeah, it's very risky. Alrighty, guys, let's go.
Hey, guys, I don't see anything down here.
You idiots, I've fallen for my trap. So long, suckers.
Wait, what? Eggman?
Sucker. Alrighty, they're dealt with. Now, let's get back to the plan. Where are we?
Oh man, we must be in some kind of chamber. Man, what is this place?
Testing, 1, 2, 3, can you hear me?
The heck?
Ah, yes, as I was saying, you are in my death chamber. What? And you will be fighting one of the strongest robots that I was just delivered with.
Oh yeah, I can take on anyone. You hear me, Eggman?
Please don't hit the camera. Now, as I was saying, you've met this component on the Death Egg recently, so you might be familiar with him.
Yeah, alright, show us who he is, Eggman.
Alrighty, Eggman, show us who this guy is. Well, here he is. Payback time. Now you die.
It's you. I'm sorry from the last encounter. Hey, how about we call it a truce, go get a couple of ice creams and we can beat this guy. So, what do you say?
Nope. You mess with King, you die. Now, prepare to be squashed into a blueberry.
Guys, this guy has a hammer.
Does think this might be the end. Now look who's stuck. Okay, guys. Wish me luck.
Wait, Knuckles, no!
Give me that hammer! Hey, get off! Guys, I got the hammer! So, you really think I'm finished? Time for phase 2. Phase 2? Gatling gun.
This kind of reminds me of that one boss in Conquer's Bad Fur Day, in the war chapter. Could we stop referencing that game?
Okay, Mario, you've done well with hammers, so how about you take this one?
Wait, okay, batter up.
Time for you to die.
Mario time. Guys, I did it.
Alright, that's it. Skipping to phase 6. Time to die.
Hey, that's cheating.
What? Think I care?
Well, guys, this might be the end. I hated you all, so I'm glad to die with you. I'm happy to die with my bro that I ate all those foods together with. Well, like you ate all the foods. Exactly.
This is for avenging my brother. Time to die.
Please, someone help us. Please, someone help us. Please, someone help us.
Sup, guys? Whoa. Okay. What are you supposed to be? Oh, I'm a half lizard, half dinosaur. Oh, dinosaur. You are one of my ancestors. I can't believe this. Yeah, and you're kind of messing with my friends, I guess. I don't really take them as friends. But if you could be so kind to leave. Yes, I shall honor my ancestor. Goodbye. Well, that was easy. Oh, and also, keep the hammer. It suits you. So, how are you guys going?
Okay, Bowser. Do it once, it's fine. Do it twice, you go too far. How the heck do you do it a third time?
Well, I guess there's just lots of pipes that show up at my house, like, a lot. Yeah, but anyway, how are we supposed to get out of here?
Well, I don't know, the same way you came in?
That was with the pipe.
Where is that pipe, Bowser?
Oh, okay, this time it disappeared once I came in.
So we're stuck here? Really? Huh.
We really didn't think this one out, did we?
No, we didn't.
Now how are we supposed to get out of here?
I think we could help you.
Who the heck?
Louie, I told you to part softly. I'm sorry, I'm just not ready. That's why I don't let you drive. Anyway, now I'm Captain Olimar, and we're here to help you. Who are you again? Don't ask. Anyway, we'd like to give you a ride in our ship, so what do you say?
Oh yeah, that'd be great.
Oh yeah! Oh, red Pikmin in the house! Alright, let's save my Pikmin friend. Wait a second. This isn't my planet, is it? No, it's not red. Okay, I'm getting back in. Whoa, wait a second. Don't we know you guys? Oh, not that I know of. Me and Louie were supposed to be on a mission to help someone named Mario and Luigi. Well, that would be me. Well, then, mission complete. I don't think that was the Mario you were looking for on the video. Or Mario, this might be a different one. Okay, you're not the one we're looking for, so we don't need you. Aww. Anyway, our mission was there are these Pikmin hunters trying to destroy PNF 404, so we wanted to help the Pikmin out. Yeah, and we kind of got through our first day,
but Louie had to go to the bathroom. So we spent like 2 days to try and find one. So yeah.
You idiots. It was like more like of, let me see here, 2 years ago. What are you talking about? Whatever, I didn't have anything to do with this. I'm going back in the ship. Ow.
Anyway, now that we found a bathroom for Louie, we're gonna continue our mission. So, yeah. Anyway, so, yeah, we'll give you a lift.
Oh, it feels awfully cramped in here.
Well, it wasn't made for, about 17 people. Anyway, alright, are you ready, Louie?
What about Bowser?
Oh, you guys go ahead. I'll probably find some pipes somewhere. I'll catch up anyway, so yeah.
Alright, everyone, put on your seatbelts. Wait a second, was that supposed to be a joke? Left off!
It is finally complete. Now, my fellow villains, are you ready to witness the destruction of all worlds? Yeah, get it on with. Okay then, now, let the destruction commence. You guys feel that shaking? It's under us. You know you sent those guys down there. Oh no. Lift the gates up!
Whoa, thanks, Captain Oldemar. No problem. Now, if you excuse us, we have to get back to our mission. Come on, Louie. Wait, could you just help us with this one teensy fight? It really won't take long. Fine, we don't have anything better to do.
Wow, you guys really do get on my nerves. You know what? I'm done. I'm through. I'm just gonna straight up kill you.
Wait a minute, you can't kill us. We're nearly invincible.
Time for you all to die.
Oh my gosh! Louie, speak to me!
Everything hurts. I need food.
Here, I'll take you back to the ship.
Now you won't be able to stop me at all.
Not if you can't go against us. Guys, go on ahead. We'll take care of him. Now, let's get him.
You two idiots, get off of me!
Come on, guys. Let's go.
Not so fast! You can't possibly beat my Titan, can you?
Oh, no. You guys go on ahead. I'll take this one.
Not alone, you won't.
Yeah, let's take this guy down.
Alrighty then, bring it on!
Let's take him. How are we supposed to get to the top? I think I have an idea. Ship, do you think you can teleport us to the top?
Affirmative. Scanning area. What the heck? How did you idiots get up here?
Oh, just with the power of technology.
I'll stop him, mistress.
Don't worry, guys. You guys go on ahead. Me and Red will handle this one.
Let's take this guy down, Olimar.
This is for Louie.
I'm not letting you idiots fool my plans again. Now, it's time for you to meet your end.
Oh, yeah? I'll take you on. No, bro. You need to stay with Sonic. I'll take this one down. Do you really think you could beat me alone? You must be brain dead or something.
I wouldn't say that, Eggman. Oh, and yes, I did find another.
Let's take him on, Bowser.
Right on,
Alrighty, guys. All that's left is Gruntilda. Come on. Wait. Oh, what is it? Yeah, let's get this show on the road. You can't possibly fight me now. In every Banjo-Kazooie game, there's always a pop quiz.
And your point.
Well, my point is, you're gonna have to play this quiz before you fight the final battle. So, get ready for the Bear and Bird episode quiz show! Here on tonight's quiz show, our contestants are Banjo the Bear and his companion Kazooie, and Sonic the Hedgehog, Mario the Italian Plumber, and Donkey Kong. Now, let's get this show on the road. This quiz is simple. I will ask questions from each of the other 3 episodes and see if you get it correct. Now, let the show begin. Alrighty, first question. What did Log want from Banjo and Kazooie? A basketball, B, A mumbo token, C, a G, or D, a honeycomb piece?
It was C, the jiggy.
You are correct! Alright, second question. I will show you a piece of video from one of the 3 parts. Answer which video it was from, and you'll get it right. Now, was this video from part 1, part 2, or part 3?
They're here. On the main deck! Oh my god! Oh!
Pretty sure that was part 2.
Wrong.
Wait a second, what happens when I get it wrong? Ah!
As you can see, Sonic was just thrown off the cliff, so better not get the question. Alrighty, third question. What music was playing while you guys were climbing up the mountain to Bowser's Castle? Okay, was it A, Hellfire Peak Lava Side, B, Spiral Mountain, C, Grunty Industry, and D, Isle of Ohag?
What the music? I didn't hear no music playing while we were climbing up that mountain. Well, I have to answer. So, was it Spiral Mountain?
I see what you were going for, but that was wrong, so bye, Mario.
Wait a second, but you said mountain and Spiral Mountain, so
Alrighty, final question. How did Banjo and Kazooie get here?
Oh, I know this one. It was in the episode Mega Blurs when I turned on the N64 and had Banjo and Kazooie in it. Therefore, it created a portal and let them in here.
Wow, that is oddly specific, but you were right. Now, let's see who survived our quiz show. Banjo and DK. Now, you may fight me to the death. And I'll start with you, Banjo. What the heck?
Banjo, are you alright?
Oh, looks like your poor friend is dead. Now it's time I kill you.
No, I've had enough with this. It's time I take matters into my own hands. Donkey Kong!
Here we go. We're finally here. Performing for you. If you know the words, you can join in too. Put your hands together.
Okay!
Wait a minute! No, not again! Well, at least I wasn't crushed by anything.
Oh no. Guys, it wasn't quick enough. All that time I spent with you guys was the last time. I remember when we first met.
Well, hi there. I'm DK.
I'm Banjo. Hey, wasn't your game made by the same people as I am?
Yeah, that's pretty cool. It's like we're brothers or something.
Yeah. Wanna go hang out?
Oh, yeah, sure. Hey, what's wrong, Banjo?
Oh, well, DK, Rare was just bought out by Microsoft, and well, I gotta go.
But aren't I coming with you?
I'm afraid not. You belong here with Nintendo. Me and Kazooie gotta go. Well, I guess this is farewells.
Well, will we ever meet again?
I don't know.
Goodbye, my old friend.
Well, those were good memories. So long, Banjo.
You know I'm still alive.
What? How? We're in the video game world and I have lives. Oh, didn't think about that.
Well, the real question is, how are we supposed to get out of here?
You're right, Kazooie. We came in here from a portal from the game. How are we supposed to get out?
Come on, guys, get it.
Right, we're in.
Let's get out of here. Ready for liftoff, boys?
Yeah, just get us out of here.
Oh,
Wait a second, Omar, this thing is equipped with the portal, transmitter, right?
Yeah, I installed it like last week or something, so we'll be taken back home or wherever you live.
Alright, then let's go, man.
blast off!
Guys, we're back! We're back!
Oh, everything's back to normal. Well, thanks for helping us, Banjo.
Yeah, and I think me and Kazooie will stay here.
Yeah, it's real nice here.
So, what do you say?
Huh, I'm in. What do you guys say?
As long as you pay the rent.
Alrighty then. Now, are you ready?
Oh, stop!
Well, what'd you forget?
We gotta play the credits! Come on, hurry up, let's go!
Wow, we get no appreciation for helping you guys. Well, I'm out of here. I'm just gonna go what I've been doing. See you noobs later. Bye.
Well, those guys were really weird.
I swear, I will get my revenge, Sonic. Just you wait. Just you all wait.